Hello everyone. Today we're gonna do a slime launcher. And first look how you need to do it. You need to run and step on the pressure plate. And look how to do it. Dig 3 blocks wide, then 2 blocks deep. Then put a sticky piston facing up with a slime ball. And now you put your repeater on 3 ticks. Then put a redstone dust. Then grab a block of your choice and cover it up. Then you need to put a pressure plate. Then put around obsidian and it will work. And check out how it works.